Today we are going to start the revision of chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. So let us see the different types of questions. So starting with the first question, to represent any given situation in linear equation in two variable form. And the second type of question is to write the equation in standard form and find the value of A, B and C. The third type of question is solution of linear equation in two variable. To find the solution, we'll see the different types of questions under this. The fourth one, graph of linear equations in two variables. And the last one is equation in the form of x is equals to constant and y is equals to constant. So coming towards this section, that is solution of linear equation in two variable, we have first type of question is to find the solution, second checking solution, and the third one is to find the value of k if one solution is given. Now we'll move towards the graph of linear equation. Direct question means one equation will be given to you and you have to draw the graph of the linear equation. And second one, to draw the graph of two equations and find the intersecting point. And the next one is to represent the situation in linear equation in two variables and draw the graph. This is a word problem. So now the last one, equation in the form of x is equals to constant and y is equals to constant. We have two types of questions. One is to represent on number line, another to represent on Cartesian plane. So these are the different types of questions under this chapter. So we'll start from the first bit, that is to represent the situation in linear equation in two variables. So let us have the introduction first, linear equation in two variables. So the equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. The linear equation in two variable is an equation in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and with a condition. See, with a condition that either a is equals to 0 and b is not equals to 0. This is the first condition. This is the first condition, and the second condition is that or a is not equals to 0 or b is equals to 0. That means दोनों 0 नहीं होगा, दोनों में से कोई एक 0 हो सकता है. Okay, that is a square plus b square should not be equals to 0. Okay, so and the key point is that when a is equals to 0 and b is not equals to 0, or a is not equals to 0 or b is equals to 0, then the equation reduces to first one, when a is equals to 0, by plus c is equals to 0, or by is equals to c, and in the second one, ax plus c is equals to 0 or ax is equals to c respectively. In both cases we get equation in one variable. Okay, but whenever we have to represent in two variable, that we will see in the last section, that is x is equals to constant and y is equals to constant. So let us start the types of questions. The first type is that to write the situations, the given situation in standard linear equation in two variable. So see this question, the cost of a notebook is thrice the cost of a pen. Write this statement as a linear equation in two variable. So we can take the cost of notebook as x and cost of a pen is equals to y, or we can take cost of a notebook is equals to y or cost of a pen be x. So depending on that, you may have two answers here. ओके, वेरिएबल जैसा लोगे उसके हिसाब से दो आंसर्स यहाँ पर आएंगे. अगर हम लोग नोटबुक का कॉस्ट x लेंगे और पेन का y लेंगे तो एक आंसर आएगा. अगर नोटबुक का y लेंगे और कॉस्ट ऑफ पेन अगर x लेते हैं तो दूसरा आंसर आएगा. बट दोनों आंसर करेक्ट है. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टेक फॉर नोटबुक x एंड फॉर पेन y. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन x एंड y? Richa?
So,
cost of one notebook is x, one pen is y, and this is the condition given. So what is the relation between x and y?
X is equals to 3y.
Pranav,
Yes, sir.
what is the relation between x and y?
Sir, notebook is thrice the cost of a pen.
तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा एक्सप्रेशन में
Sir,
बताओ.
x
Sir, Ax equals 3y. Sir.
X is equals to
3y, sir.
3y, right? So according to the question, x is equals to 3y. Now how will you write in 3 variable form? That is 1 into x minus 3 into y plus 0 is equals to 0. अगर हम लोग को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है तो दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. If we want to write in the standard form, so how will you write 1 into x minus 3 into y plus 0 is equals to 0, or simply you can write this also. Any doubt?
No, sir.
If you write this answer, this is also correct for this one. X minus 3y is equals to 0. I am writing the answer in standard form. So this is the first type of question, and the second type of question is that to write the equation in standard form and to find the value of a, b and c. So this example, see, we have to write this equation in standard form. So how will you write? Sai Suhas?
Sir, 6x minus 7y minus 5 is equal to 0.
Very good. So first equation, the given equation is 5 is equals to 6x minus 7y. So 6x minus 7y minus 5 is equals to 0. Let it be equation number 1. Now we have to compare with this standard equation. If you compare with the standard equation, Revant, what is the value of a here?
Sir, 6.
6. Very good. DVL Pranav, what is the value of b?
Minus 7.
Very good. Arpita, what is the value of c?
Sir, minus 5.
Right, very good. So now the write up is that we have to write comparing one equation 1 with the standard form. We have a is equals to 6, b is equals to minus 7 and c is equals to minus 5. So second bit, how will you write this in the standard form?
X minus
एक मिनट. Neha, 9th B Neha.
Sir, x minus root 3y minus 5 is equal to 0.
Very good. So our equation is x minus 5 is equals to root 3y. If you write in the standard form, we'll get x minus root 3y minus 5 is equals to 0. So let it be equation number 1. This equation number 1 for second bit. Don't confuse with these two equations. So now we have to compare with standard form. So what is the value of a?
1.
So
One.
1
What is the value of b?
root minus root 3.
Minus root 3. What is the value of c?
Minus 5.
Minus
five.
right. So comparing 1 with ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, we have a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus root 3 and c is equals to minus 5. So this is the second type of question. Any doubt here?
No,
No,
Okay, now we'll move towards to find the solution. Okay, solution of linear equation, to find the solution. So find 4 solutions of the equation 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ध्यान से देखो. और already I told you that you try to write y in terms of x. Y in terms of x. That is y is equals to p of x के फॉर्म में लिखना है. अब उसके लिए क्या करेंगे, अगर y नेगेटिव है तो y को शिफ्ट करो इस साइड में. सो ये यहाँ पर आएगा तो क्या होगा,
plus 2y.
प्लस 2y होगा. ओके, और बाकी कांस्टेंट को फिर इधर शिफ्ट करो. सो व्हाट यू विल गेट,
3x minus 7 is equal to
राइट,
2y.
3x minus 7 is equals to 2y. So what is y? y कितना होगा,
Sir, 2.
Has infinite values.
3x minus 7 अपॉन 2. ये 2 नीचे आ जाएगा. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll start. The given equation is 3x minus 2y. So y is equals to 3x minus 7. Okay, and y is equals to 3x minus 7 by 2. So we'll substitute one value. एक वैल्यू यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देखो जो न्यूमरेटर, so that the numerator will be divisible by 2. Any one value.
So 3 into 2.
3 into 2. Then what I want to say that you substitute the value of x such that the numerator, the whole numerator will be divisible by 2.
Sir, 3
So 3 into 7.
Okay,
3.
3 भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग, 1 भी कर सकते हैं. So first मैं 1 ले रहा हूँ. देखो 3 into 1 कितना हो जाएगा? 3. 3 minus 7 by 2.
Minus 4 by 2.
Minus 4 by 2. That will be equals to?
minus
Right. So minus 2. We got first value. अब second value में क्या करेंगे? नीचे denominator में जो है वो plus करना है. You have to add the denominator value. So 3 ले लो. So we are going to substitute 3 in place of x. So this will become 9. 9 minus 7.
2. So 2.
2 by 2.
1.
1. So we got 1. अब next value कौन सा लोगे?
5.
5. What I told you, whatever the value in the denominator, that you have to either you have to add or subtract. अभी first value हम लोग को 1 मिला था. अभी 1 में -2 करेंगे तो -1 मिलेगा. You can take -1 also. But मैं 5 ले रहा हूँ. Positive value लेंगे तो confusion नहीं होगा. So 15 minus 7. How much you are getting?
8.
By 2.
4.
4. Right.
4.
अब last 7. 21 minus 7
14.
by 2.
Sir, 7 answer. 7.
7.
Right, 7. So we got the 4 answer, 4 solution, 1 minus 2, 3, 1, 5, 4 and 7, 7. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Now to find the solution is over. Now we are going to take up the next question. So next type of question is to check the solutions. Find out which of the following equation have x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 as a solution. So we will substitute this value in all these 3 equations and we'll check that which this value of x and y satisfied in which equation. और जिस equation को satisfy करेगा उसका solution होगा. So we are going to take the first equation. Substitute x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 in the given equation we get. So we are going to take LHS, that is 5 into 2 minus 3. So we are getting 7 and this is equals to LHS. So what we conclude that because LHS is equals to RHS, that means it satisfies the equation. So hence x is the equation 5y minus x is equals to 7 has x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 as a solution. Any doubt in first bit?
No, sir.
Okay. Now we will check it for the second bit. Substituting x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 in the given equation we get. So this is the LHS. So LHS is equals to 2 plus 2 into 3. So how much you are getting?
8.
8.
8. Which is not equals to RHS. So that means x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 not satisfy the given equation. So hence the equation y plus 2x is equals to 3 does not have x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 as a solution. Now we'll check for the third equation. We'll substitute in the LHS the value of y and x here. 3 into 2 minus 5 into 3. So 6 minus 15. How much you are getting?
9.
Minus
Minus 9. So it is equals to RHS. That means this value satisfies this equation. So hence the equation 3y minus 5x is equals to minus 9 has x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2 as a solution. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now we are moving towards the next type of question, that to find the value of unknown if solution is given. See, this is the equation. In this equation, k is unknown, and 2 and 1 is the solution of this equation. So we need to find the value of k. So already question में दिया हुआ कि ये solution है. That means ये इसको satisfy कर रहा है. So we'll write, since x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is a solution of 3x plus 2y is equals to k. So we'll substitute the value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 in this equation. Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
So we'll get 6 and here 2. So what is the value of k? Final value? 8. Right. एक एग्जाम्पल और देख लेते हैं. If x is equals to 2k minus 1 and y is equals to k is a solution of this linear equation, find the value of k. And now the unknown value is given in the solution. Okay, so in the question it is given that this is a solution of this equation. That means ये दो इसको satisfy करेगा. So we are going to substitute the value of x is equals to 2k minus 1 and y is equals to k. So x is equals to 2k minus 1 and y is equals to k is a solution of this equation. So therefore we have substituted. So यहाँ पे open करो, कितना मिल रहा है?
6k minus 3.
Right. And this will become minus 5k minus 9.
Minus 5k.
So 6k minus 5k will become k, and minus 3 minus 9 will become
minus
minus
12.
12. So k minus 12 is equals to 0. What is the final value of k?
12.
12, right. Okay. So now we are moving towards the next section. 2 section हो गया है, अभी 3 section हो गया. अभी 4th section में जा रहे हैं हम लोग, graph, to draw the graph. So direct question देखो. So this is the direct question. Draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in 2 variables. 2 bit देखेंगे हम लोग. This is the first bit. X plus y is equals to 4. So what we will write? Y is equals to 4 minus x. Now take a value of x, 3 values of x. कोई भी ले लो. First I will take 0. If I will take 0, this will become 4. If I will take 1,
3.
1 लेंगे तो कितना मिलेगा? 3. 2
3.
लेंगे तो
2.
2. If I will take 3,
1.
if I will take 4,
0.
0. Okay. So already I told you that x is equals to 2 लिए तो 2 आ गया, और 4 ले रहा हूँ मैं. x is equals to 4 लेंगे तो 0 हो जाएगा. So x is equals to 4 is then y is equals to 0. So why I told you that 3 values at least you have to find. Why? अभी एक मिनट में टेबल ड्रॉ करके ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर लेता हूँ. मान लो हम लोग का पॉइंट यहाँ पर आया और एक तो यहाँ पर आया. अगर थर्ड पॉइंट यहाँ पर आ रहा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल थर्ड पॉइंट यहाँ पर आ रहा है, कैन यू ड्रॉ ए लाइन विच पासेस थ्रू दिस 3 पॉइंट्स?
No, sir.
No, sir.
दैट मीन्स कोई एक कोऑर्डिनेट रॉन्ग है. कोई एक कोऑर्डिनेट हो सकता है लाइन ऐसा हो और हो सकता है लाइन ऐसा भी हो. दोनों में से एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. सो वो कैसे पता चलेगा? व्हेन यू विल फाइंड 3 पॉइंट्स. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
ओके. 2 पॉइंट लोगे तो हमेशा एक ही लाइन मिलेगा. इफ यू विल टेक 2 पॉइंट्स यू विल गेट ऑलवेज वन अ लाइन व्हिच पासेस थ्रू दोस 2 पॉइंट्स. इफ यू टेक 3 पॉइंट्स, अगर करेक्ट होगा तो एक लाइन मिलेगा, अगर कोई भी कोऑर्डिनेट रॉन्ग होगा तो लाइन नहीं मिलेगा. सो लेट अस प्लॉट द पॉइंट 0 4. सो x coordinate is 0, that means it belongs to y coordinate, y axis. So यहाँ पर आ रहा है 0 4. So we'll plot. and you have to write the scale also. For x-axis, y-axis, 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Now we are going to plot. This is 0 4. Next is 2 2. So 2 x पे आ जाओ और 2 ऊपर है, so we will go up from 2 और यहाँ से perpendicular to y axis. So this point is 2 2. Next one 4 0. So y coordinate is 0, that means it belongs to x axis. So x axis पे कहाँ पर आएगा? यहाँ पर होगा. Now we have to draw the line which passes through these 3 points. Any doubt?
No, sir.
After drawing the line, you have to write the. After drawing the line, you have to write the equation also. Okay. Now let us move towards one more example. Draw the graph of this linear equation. X minus y is equals to 2. So 2 को इधर shift करो और y को इधर shift करो. So what you will get? Y is equals to
X plus 2. X minus 2.
y is equals to x minus 2. Now if x is equals to 0, what you will get?
Minus 2.
Minus 2. If x is equals to 1,
Minus
minus 1.
Minus
If
1.
x is equals to 2,
0.
okay. If x is equals to 3,
1.
1.
One.
Okay. So we'll take 1 1 value. First we'll take x is equals to 0, that is minus 2, y is equals to minus 2. And second, x is equals to 1, we got minus 1. And third value, x is equals to 2, that is y is equals to 0. Now we'll make a table. Now we will take a graph. We will write the scale. Scale x-axis पे भी 1 centimeter और y-axis पे भी 1 centimeter है. Okay, so 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. So x coordinate is 0, that means it belongs to y-axis. So y-axis पे minus 2 नीचे side है. This is the point. Okay. Next one is 1 minus 1. So x-axis के 1 पे आ जाओ. Minus 1 नीचे side है तो नीचे जाएंगे यहाँ पर up to minus 1. So this is the coordinate q. Let it be q. And the next one is 2 0. And y coordinate is 0, that means it belongs to x axis. So यहाँ पे आएगा point. Now we will draw the line. Okay, which passes through all the 3 points. Next step, we have to write the equation here. X minus y is equals to 2. So our graph is completed. Any doubt?
No, sir.
इसमें एक और क्वेश्चन था, to draw the graph of 2 equations on the same graph. Okay, that examples we will see after this one. And this is the example to write the given situation in linear equation form and to draw the graph. So Yamini and Fatima, 2 students of class 9th of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data. You may take their contributions as rupees x and rupees y. This is a textbook question only. So Yamini का rupees x ले लेते हैं और Fatima का rupees y. So the sum of these two is equals to rupees 100 because together they contributed 100 rupees. So x plus y is equals to 100. Okay, फिर x को इधर शिफ्ट करेंगे, so हम लोग को y कितना हो जाएगा? 100 minus x.
Y is equal to 100 minus x.
Right. So we'll take three values. हम लोग लेंगे पहले 0. So y will be equals to
100.
Then we'll take 50. Y is equals to
50.
50. And if we take 100, 0. Right.
0.
So when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 100. When x is equals to 50, y is equals to 50. And when x is equals to 100, y is equals to 0. So we'll make the table 0, 100, 50, 50, 100, 0. So now I'm going to draw the graph. So पहले ग्राफ पेपर ले लेते हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट था 0, 100. X coordinate is 0. That means it belongs to y axis. So यहाँ पर आएगा. उससे पहले यूनिट लिख लेते हैं. फॉर x axis and y axis 10 यूनिट्स लिए हैं यहाँ पर. देखो. So 100, 0, 100 यहाँ पर आ रहा है. That is point A. Next is 50, 50. So 50 से ऊपर की ओर जाएंगे up to 50. यहाँ पर आ गया. देखो ये 50 पे आ गया. So this is 50, 50. The last point is 100, 0. So it belongs to x-axis because y coordinate is 0. Okay. So now we will draw the line. We'll write the equation. So this is the graph of this question. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll move towards the next question, that is to draw the graph of two equations on the same graph. Also find the coordinates of the point where the two lines intersect. See, this question is very very important for class 10th also. क्योंकि 10th class में दोनों linear equation को solve करना है and by using graph. तो दोनों line जहाँ पे intersect करता है वही solution होता है. Right? So let us take the first graph. 3x minus 2y is equals to 4. So ध्यान से देखो, 4 को यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे, -4 हो जाएगा, और -2y को यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे तो 2y हो जाएगा. So what is y? So y is equals to क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पर?
Y is equal to
3x minus 4
4 by 2.
Right. Y is equals to 3x minus 4 by 2. Now we'll take three values. First we'll take 0. Okay. 0 substitute कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, तो 3 into 0 कितना हो जाएगा?
0.
0 minus 4 by 2.
Sir, minus 1 by 2.
-2.
No, minus 1 by 2 कैसे आएगा? अब चलो इधर देखो, 0 को हटा के देखो कितना आ रहा है?
So minus 2.
-2.
Yes, -2. So we got
Minus
first value when x is equals to 0, y is equals to -2. Next डिनोमिनेटर में 2 है, तो मैंने बताया था कि या तो +2 -2 करोगे. So I'm going to take 2. So if x is equals to 2, this will become 6. Okay, so 6 minus 4 by 2.
1, sir.
Right, 1. That is 2 by 2. Next value 4 ले रहे हैं, +2. So this will become 12. So 12 minus 4 by 2.
4.
4.
Right. So we got 0 minus 2, 2, 1, 4, 4. So यहाँ पे हम लोग टेबल ड्रॉ कर लिए. Right. Next graph of x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0. y यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है तो y को कुछ नहीं करना है. इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करोगे और इसको भी इधर शिफ्ट करोगे. So y is equals to कितना मिलेगा?
3 minus x.
3 plus
3 minus x. Right. Now take three values. पहले 0 ले लेते हैं. So y minus 3 minus 0 कितना होगा?
3.
3. Now we'll take 2. Y is equals to 3 minus 2.
1.
1.
1.
Now x is equals to 3. So y will be
0.
0. So we got the
Zero.
three values, 3 points, that is 0, 3, 2, 1, 3, 0. Now we are going to plot this two tables on the graph paper. So graph paper ले लेते हैं. इसमें स्केल 1 सेंटीमीटर, 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 यूनिट है, उसको लिख लिए. सो पहला फर्स्ट लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. 0, 3 यहाँ पर होगा. ये पूरा पूरा प्लॉट करने के बाद ड्रॉ करेंगे, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट 1, 2, 1 यहाँ पर आएगा. 2, 1 and the next one is 3, 0, this point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now
Yes,
we are
sir.
going to draw the line. Now we will write the equation of this line, that is x plus y minus 3 is equals to 0. We'll start to draw this line. 0 minus 2 यहाँ पर आएगा, 0 minus 2 and 2 1 already है यहाँ पर. The common point is 2 1. 4 4 it will come here. 4 से यहाँ पे 4 तक start करेंगे, यहाँ पर आ गया. दिख रहा है 4 4?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one 4 4. Now we'll draw the line which passes through these 3 points. Okay, so after that we'll write the line here. Now you tell me the point where these two intersect.
2 and 1. 2 1.
2
2
comma
1.
1.
Okay,
2 comma
so
1.
clearly the line represented by 1 and 2 intersect at point B, that is 2 1. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
So
sir.
now we will move towards the next, the last section, that is equations of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. So for Cartesian plane in two variables, listen carefully, for Cartesian plane that is in two variables, if x is equals to constant, then the line is parallel to y-axis, which passes through x is equals to constant. For example, x is equals to अगर 2 है, x is equals to 2 है, तो the line is parallel to y-axis and it passes through x is equals to 2. And if y is constant, then the line is parallel to x-axis, passing through y is equals to constant. So suppose y is equals to minus 2 है, so the line will be parallel to x-axis and it will pass through y is equals to minus 2. So we'll take one example. Consider the equation x minus 3 is equals to 0. अगर इसको हम लोग एक ही वेरिएबल में देखेंगे तो इसका एक यूनिक सॉल्यूशन होगा. Okay, that is x is equals to 3. In case it is treated as an equation in one variable, then it has only one unique solution, that is x is equals to 3. Now if it is treated as an equation in two variable, किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. If it is treated as an equation in two variables, that is x and y, then it can be written as x plus 0 into y minus 3 is equals to 0. Then it has infinitely many solutions of the form 3k. Y x will be constant and y it may be any value 3 0 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 like that. So it has infinitely many solutions and we'll get a line parallel to y axis. Okay, hence the equation x minus 3 is equals to 0 in two variable represents the line AB. This one, line parallel to y axis, passes through x is equals to 3. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are going to solve one example. Solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equals to x minus 3 and represent the solution on the number line. Number line means one variable. And Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means two variable. Okay. So we'll start with the equation. The given equation is 2x plus 1 is equals to x minus 3. So x को इधर shift करो, minus x हो जाएगा, और plus 1 को इधर shift करो, and it will become minus 1. So 2x minus x will be
1x.
minus 2x minus x will be x, and minus 3 minus 1 will become
Minus
2.
minus 4. देखो x को यहाँ शिफ्ट किए तो x माइनस x आ गया और प्लस 1 को इधर शिफ्ट किए तो माइनस 1 आ गया. सो x इज इक्वल्स टू minus 4. Any doubt here?
-4. No, sir.
Okay. Now first bit we have to draw the number line. So when the equation is treated as an equation in one variable, then the solution represented on the number line as shown below. So this is the point, -4. Okay. And this is a unique solution when we talk about one variable, that is number line. Any doubt in first bit?
No, sir.
Okay. Now second bit. Second bit देखो, we are going to draw in the Cartesian plane. So we know that x is equals to -4 can be written as x plus 0 into y is equals to -4, which is a linear equation in the variable x and y, and this is represented by a line. Now all the values of y see carefully, all the values of y are permissible because in this linear equation 0 into y is there. That will be always 0 and we'll get always x is equals to -4. So however, x must satisfy the equation x is equals to -4. So we are going to take three solutions: -4 1, -4 2, -4 4. You can take any one also. Any one -4 0 भी ले सकते हो. कोई भी तीन सॉल्यूशन लिख सकते हो. x -4 होना चाहिए, y कोई भी वैल्यू. So now we are going to plot -4 1. ध्यान से देखो, -4 1 it will come over here, and -4 2, -4 2 यहाँ पर आ रहा है. This point is -4 2, and the last point is x is equals to -4 4. So -4 से start करेंगे up to 4 तक. So this point is -4 4. Now we have to draw the line. So this line is parallel to y-axis. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So some simple graphs. Next, this is the last topic. The graph of the equation x is equals to 0 is the y-axis. Similarly, y is equals to 0 है तो x-axis.
X-axis.
And the graph of the equation x is equals to 3 is a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 3 units to its right side. And the graph of the equation x is equals to -3 is a line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 3 units to its left. Next, the graph of the equation y is equals to 2 is a line parallel to the x-axis at a distance of 2 units above the x-axis. Similarly, अगर y is equals to -2 रहेगा तो
Below the x-axis.
Below the x-axis.
right below the x-axis. Same thing below the x-axis. So graph of the equation y is equals to -2 is a line parallel to x-axis at a distance of 2 units below the x-axis. Any doubt in this last section?
No, sir.
Okay. So now we are moving towards the last section, that is assignment questions. So these are the assignment questions. This is the equation, the last topic example. These two are direct questions, and this is to draw the graph of these two equations on the same graph, or fifth question to express it in the form of the standard form. It is in the standard form, and to find the value of A, B and C. So these are 5 questions you have to complete, and you have to send through Google Classroom. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you very much.